So okay, once again, good morning. Our topic for today is about string functions and PHP programming. No? So after this lesson, you should have learned to manipulate strings using appropriate string functions and to create program in PHP using string functions. So we have different lists of string functions. We have the HTML entitles, no, entities. We have implode, count, exploded, LC first, MD5, NL2BR. Number format, of course, is the word count. Is the CMP, no, the string compare, string length, or the strlen, no, str post, yun, the position of the text. String reverse, of course, if we want, for example, melo, then olem. So I'll be able to do that in PHP. str to lower, so from uppercase to lowercase. str to upper, no, so from lower naman to upper. Then sub str, UC first and UC words. So, excuse you. I will share my screen for me to demonstrate a sample, no, of a PHP string functions. Okay, so last time we already discussed about on how we'll be able to use the error reporting, no? So for us not to encounter error like as what we encountered before, no? So we have a program about on how we'll be able to compute the tax, the gross pay, the SSS, and total deduction, no? So to review once again, so this will be the payroll.php. No, we save it as payroll.php. But again, don't forget to run your sum control panel, no? So run the Apache and the MySQL. Then minimize, of course. Then for us to run the code of our PHP program, we need to open a what do you call this one? Web browser. So based on what we have a while ago, that is payroll.php. So this will be our sample payroll last meeting, right? So for example, if I inputted Marmelo Abante, BSIT, subject web technologies, gender is male, work for example is 100, per hour is 200. Then as you can see here at the bottom, no, we have the full name. So it means to say that the inputted name here must be posted, no, in this part, no, the full name, the section, the subject, the gender. Then we inputted the number of hours work, then rate per hour, then automatically computed the gross pay, the tax, no, the SSS, and the total deduction net pay. Okay, so if we click compute, so as you can see here, it display this one, no, this side. No, then we have a gross pay, tax, SSS, deduction, and net pay. So this will be the program for this example. Okay, so as what we have here, no, we targeted that the tax is 12% of the gross pay, then the SSS is 10% of the gross pay. So we are simply adding the SSS and tax for the total deduction. Then for us to get the net pay, so net pay is equal to gross pay minus total deductions. Okay, so another example last meeting is the triangle. No? So that is triangle.php. So if we are going to run, sorry. Triangle.php, right? Or maybe we save it in another folder, not in web tech. Wait for a while, I'll just check kung saan natin siya na-save. Under JK. So under JK, sorry. So it must be not under WebTech. Under JK, triangle.php. Okay, so as you can see here, so if we inputted, for example, 4, yun, so we could able to display a triangle. So start from 4, 3, 2, and 1. If we inputted 8, so we have 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we inputted 50, so therefore we have 50. And we could create a triangle. Okay? Okay, so this will be our code for that. So as you can see here, we have an initialization of I is equal to 0. Our condition as I is less than or equal to num based on our inputted value, right? Then we use increment, the I increment. Okay, so and actually this will be the design for the asterisk. Okay. Then last time we have also a conversion of decimal to binary, no? So again, we need to find out where is it located, no? So login, prime, SMS, prime, login, index that is for, I think this one, no? D to B. Try to locate. Because it is important for us to locate where is it located, for us to run the program. Okay? So that is D to B. Then press enter. Where's it? Maybe what we're going to do is to resave once again, no? File, save as. For us to see now, where is it located? So under D2B, right? So index.php. D2B is under AJK. Okay, so as you can see, it is very important for us to locate where we save now the file. So as you can see, that is GK under GK, that is D2B. So it means to say that we need to rewrite no the localhost slash GK slash D2B, then index.php. Okay? Okay, now, so for example, the decimal number, if we want to convert decimal number 10 to binary, so this will be 1010. Because 0 plus, that is 0, 1, 2, 4, 8. So 2 plus 8, that is 10. Okay? I think in one of your subjects, no, required you to get the binary number of a given decimal number. So if you know it, this one already, it's too easy for you to find the binary equivalent of a decimal values. But for 100, so 1100100. Okay, so how about the other one? The other one is, wait. This one is to identify if the inputted value is prime number or is not a prime number. So, same as what we did a while ago, we need to locate, right, the files. Maybe prime, no, this one. Okay, so what we're going to do is to type instead D to B, that is prime. then index.php, then press enter. So as what we have here, prime number checker in PHP, identifying the inputted value. So if we inputted, for example, 8, we find out that if it is 8 is a prime number or not. So check. Okay, 8 is not a prime number. 11, check. 11 is a prime number. So therefore, using this program, we could able to identify the inputted value if it is prime number or if it is not a prime number. Now, we may proceed to our lesson for today. It's just a sort of review for the previous lesson. Okay, so based on the given program, no? So we identify pass1 is equal to secret, pass2 is equal to secret, pass3 is equal to secret. Now, we use this time the MD5, no? The MD5 command. The MD5 command decrypts, no, a given string phrases. It means to say that it replaces, no, the secret into a other value, decryption, no? Same as what it is. For example, if we type password in our FB account, it automatically replaces asterisk, right? That is this decryption. So how will be able to do that? No? By using MD5 in a PHP programming. So as you can see here, MD5 pass1, then MD5 pass2, then MD5 pass3. So what will happen? So if we're going to run, this time this will be under web tech. No? Then the file name is string functions 1. Okay. So as you can see, our code, our pass1, pass2, pass3 is secret. It replace or it decrypt, no, into this value. So imagine that. This is the one way on how we'll be able to decrypt our inputted value using MD5. Okay. How about string function 2? So this time, as what we have here, we are using sub-str, okay, or substring. And this part, no, we have this one, no? The str is equal to sub-str, str1, 6, and 4. So we also using UC words, no, or UC word. Now, for how, no, for what I mean. So UC word makes the first letter of each word in uppercase. So if you want to uppercase the first letter of the word, you need to use UC word, no, uppercase word. When we say UC words, uppercase words. Okay. The other one is UC first. It means to say that we wanted to uppercase the first name, no, the first name. Then string to upper, no, we want to uppercase the string, and then the str to lower, we mix the string or sentences in uppercase. Now, then again sub-str, no, that is extract portion of a string into another string. When we say strlen, no, it get the number of characters in a given string. So for example, Marmelo. So E, what number is E? So M-A-R-M-E, that is 5, no? So as what we have here, we get 6 and 4. So later on, I will show you the sample output of this program. So we indicate first name as Juan, the last name is Cruz. So we want to uppercase the word Juan de la or Juan, no? For the name. So we just try to run. Okay, so as you can see here, Juan de la Cruz. Then uppercase word function, the Juan, this time, J is in uppercase and C is in uppercase. Even, we declare this Juan as lowercase, Cruz is lowercase. But since we are using UC word or the uppercase word, it become this one, no? Uppercase the J, uppercase the C. US per functions, the same, no? Because we wanted to uppercase the first letter. So that's why we have the same output. String to upper functions, we input Juan and Cruz, we define. But since we are using to upper, it become Juan Cruz, no? All uppercase, no? In uppercase format. To lower function, it became so Juan Cruz as lowercase. Sub str function wholly, no? So where is it located? So as what we have here, we have Holinyan, right? 6, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4. So we just only get 4. So Holinyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, this is 7. Then we just simply get the 4 letters, no? So therefore, we can get holy, no? Okay? Then the other one is the length of the string 1 is 4. Okay, so we just simply get the str length. That is 4. No, the holy is 4. Okay. Okay, next example. This time, we are using str pos. No? When we say str pos, get the position of the given string in a larger string or sentences. So as you can see here, we have a lot of text. Na? We have M, N, B, Q, W, E, S, D, F, hello, A, I, H, word, love you. So we are going to search the word hello and the search world. No? So that's why str pos or the position is string search 1. So we're going to search the hello. Then my string search 2, that is world. Then the word is my string. Then begins at position pos 1. Begin at position pos 2. So we just want to locate the number where hello world is located in the given string. So that is string 3. Then enter. So the word is this one, no? Based on what we have here. No, this will be the word. Because we call, no? We call the my string. No? And the my string is MN and so on and so forth. So therefore, since we call, no, this my string, so it display the word, no? MN, BQ, and so on and so forth. Then hello begins at position 10. So we just try to look in to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, hello. H is start with 10. Then begin at position 18 is the word, no? That is right, diba? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So where W start with begin at 18 positions. That by using str pos. We may proceed to another example using str lower. Okay, what is str lower? Again, makes the string or sentences in a lower case. And another one is HTML entities. Okay? The HTML entities functions that includes the HTML tags in the output of the program. And we are using NL2BR. NL2BR is used to apply the new line tag in a given sentence and applies also the HTML tags. Okay? So our string is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So that is string number 4. So as you can see here, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The jump, then we have bold here, brown fox, closing tag of bold, jumps, and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, it displayed the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog in a bold format. Okay? Another example, using sub-str. So where do we use sub-str or when do we use sub-str? If we want to extract portion of a string into another string. Okay. So as what we have here, we have my favorite subject is PHP. Okay. So if we're going to run the str5, so as you can see here, based on the given problem, no, based on the given program, I mean, we get 12, no, 12 in the 7. The substring start with, of course, 12. 12. So therefore, that is subject. Now, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is subject, no? Then we get 7. That's why subject, if we want to count subject, S-U-B-J-E-C-T. That is 7. That's why we get starting from number 12, then 7 characters. That's why we displayed subject. Okay. Next example. This time we are using implode. At the same time, an array. So in our array, we have hello, world, I am here. So this time we are using implode. Implode, combine all separate string together. So they just, the implode command simply combine, no, the number of string in an array. So again, that is STF6. STF6.php. So as you can see, it just simply combine the content of our array. The message is hello world, I am here. Because based on what we have here, we have hello, we have world, we have I, we have am, we have here. So if we are going to make it one, so using implode command. Okay. So therefore, the message is hello world, I am here. Okay, another example, that is example number 7. This time we are using str_replace. No? So it means to say that we are going to replace the value, no, of a string. No? So based on what we have here, again, we use new str, then str_replace. No? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, the new string, then display the new str. Okay, that is str number 7. So new string, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy student. So we replace lazy dog into a lazy student. So as what we have here, no? We replace dog into student string. So even we inputted the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, we wanted to replace the dog into student. So therefore, our output will become the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy student. Okay? Nagre-reflect ba? Okay. Last example for string functions. So this time, as what I mentioned earlier during our objectives, that we want not to reverse the inputted string or even the given string. So we have hello world here. We want to reverse the hello world. So it will become OLLEH LROW using the strrev, no? So what is strrev? That is string reverse. So it means to say that we get the reverse of the given string. That is strrev, no? So we use hello world. So str8. So as you can see here, it become of course the exclamation point, DROW, and so on and so forth. So how about if we just replace this one into hello Jacel Arpon. Okay, so file save, then run. So as you can see, exclamation point, Norpraleja, hello. So it reversed, no, the given string using the strrev. But actually, the most commonly used for us is the I think this one, no? We are always try to use this one, and even this one, no, the MD5, because if we wanted to make our text as a what do you call this one? So even our password is secret, it become a different value, no? It generate different values based on even we inputted pass1 as secret, and so on and so forth. So as what we have here, no? Yan. So we could able to get different, we just try to replace the secret. If what will happen. So for example, our password is cute me. So file save. A while ago, our output is this one with 6EE69. So we just replace the secret into cute me if we there are certain changes. Okay, as you can see, we could able to produce a new, no, values. It depend upon to your inputted string. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I hope that you will be able to understand the string functions in PHP programming. So I will post your activity later in our FB group or in our learning management system. Okay, thank you and good morning, everyone.